welcome back to another awesome episode of Cooking with OTK. And it's picnic season, so we're making a ham salad sandwich. That's right. Wrap it up, throw it in our picnic basket, and go. So I went to the deli and said, I need 1.5 pounds of ham. Very important. Treat it with a little bit of love. Don't forget to hit the little bell and like and subscribe. Now let's make a sandy. All right, picnic season.
That's right, it's picnic season.
Finally, out of the cold winter.
Yep, all that pollen, all those allergies everybody just had. Now we can get out there and explore.
That's right, and so what do we need with our picnic? A sandwich.
Of course.
And ham salad sandwich. I know we've done a ham salad, but on our history.
Yeah, that was the historic.
Yes, so we kind of took that and kind of modernized it, updated it, brought it to the 21st century. Is that what we're in?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Let us know if we're wrong. That's funny. But ham salad sandwich.
That's right. First things first, we're gonna make our base. But we took just a ham and a little secret, or I guess it's not really a secret, but a little tip.
Yeah.
I didn't want to buy a big ham because all I needed was about 1.5 pounds. And that's exactly what it is. So I went to the deli and I said, I need 1.5 pounds of ham. And because I cubed this, I told them, well, just slice it about 1/4 inch. Told them that. They made my slices, so when I got back here to prep it, I just had, 2 cuts.
That's cool. Yeah,
so
that's
instead of having to saw it off a big or buy a giant ham.
Yeah, and have a full breakdown. Yeah. That's cool.
Go to the deli and have them cut it really thick.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's a good tip.
Yeah, see, I got them sometimes. So to this, we're adding our mayo, and yes, this is our mayo. And this mayo we tried with the coconut oil.
Yes, and it turned out really good.
It is.
And it's healthy.
As healthy as mayo can get.
Yeah. I mean, of course, it's got oil, which is not inherently healthy, but we did use a healthier oil, so.
Yeah.
What did you just put in there?
That was brown sugar.
Ah.
And then
Thought you could sneak an ingredient past me, didn't you?
a couple of little tablespoons of good pickle relish, and apparently someone wants to make our own pickle relish.
Yeah, I think that would be fun. Make our own pickle relish, because a lot of the first or second ingredients in these sweet pickle relishes, high fructose corn syrup. Come on.
Yeah.
Why can't we use sugar?
Well, it's cost.
Yeah, that's exactly why. Cost.
And my favorite mustard, Coleman's.
Oh yeah.
Why won't you make your jars a little bigger? I need 2 tablespoons, and I'm having to use the teaspoon. So that's
they probably do use
dumping.
Yeah, that's
so
funny.
much.
I bet they do make a bigger container, but you know, it's not an American company, so.
Well, it's great mustard. I love it.
We're relying on people to import the jars, so it might just be they're just getting the little jars.
So we got that, and we're just gonna kind of get this mixed up ahead instead of adding the ham, so that our sauce can be more cohesive.
Yeah, and this is what, a light brown sugar?
Yeah, just a light brown sugar. I'm just put a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Your choice of salt. Just the truck salt was right next to me. So.
Yeah, hey, that works. That does work.
And of course, my friend pepper. And a little freeze-dried dill.
Oh, that's a big deal.
It is. Throw
Cool.
a little extra. So now that we got that pretty much taken care of, do a quick little stir.
A little mix of, oh yeah. Oh.
That's gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
And for a little crunch and texture, got some diced celery.
Some fresh diced celery.
And a little sweet onion. And for a little, again, texture too, is some 2 boiled eggs. If you don't like eggs, you don't have to put the eggs, but I kind of like it. It gives a fun little spongy texture.
Yeah, I think it gives you're right, just a little fun texture to
and then, of course,
add into.
Ham. Can't be ham salad without ham. Stop hamming around there.
Wait, that's ham? I thought we were making chicken salad.
Yeah, you did. Been asking for chicken salad. Although, if you don't like ham, you could do the same thing with deli turkey, deli chicken.
That's right.
And it would all work. So even if, you know.
So if you don't eat pork, you could sub it for turkey.
Yeah,
That's
it
a
would
good
make
sub.
great.
Yeah.
You have a kind of a turkey ham
Oh, that's
salad.
a good idea.
Get back in there. All right, well, I mean, that's how easy. That's what I love.
That is.
Picnicking is,
I know.
you want your food to be easy to make.
You do.
So that we can make this, we're about to put it on some bread, wrap it up, throw it in our picnic basket, and go.
And not only do you want it to be easy, you want it to be able to just be served cold.
Yeah,
So that's another reason why this is a great recipe.
exactly.
Because you don't have to heat it up. It's all cooked.
And it's delicious.
Yeah.
All right, well, here.
Is it taste time?
Yes, it is. We're gonna give it a taste, see if we
What are
need
we
to
doing?
add any salt, pepper.
I want to get me a little eggy piece.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's good stuff right there.
Oh yeah. See, the egg, the ham, the celery, just
That-
gives such a good texture. You feel satisfied when you chew that.
It is, and I mean, the best thing is actually make this a day ahead, because as all those flavors sit tomorrow, this will be
It's gonna
banging.
be even better. That's really the same with a lot of dishes that are prepared like this, like ham salad,
Yeah,
chicken salad, coleslaw,
yeah.
pasta salad, all of those kinds of things.
Well, you're taking my. I'm just gonna have a bread sandwich.
Yeah, I thought you were making this for me.
The whole thing.
Yeah, this is all mine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab a cool little side for this. Where did we put that?
It's in that
This
red
one?
fridge. All right, and then you just basically load up your bread. We're not toasting it. You can toast it. There's nothing wrong with toasting your bread.
But you know, for a picnic,
Sometimes we're like, nah.
yeah, if you want to make the sandwich at your picnic destination, because you know it's possible your bread could get a little soggy depending on your bread. So
Sure. And I'm just gonna say, anytime I put a raw tomato on
Yes.
anything, always give it a little bit of salt and pepper.
very important.
Treat it with a little bit of love.
Oh, that's cool.
And there we go. It's a sandwich.
It is. And look at this,
With
pasta
some
salad.
Awesome pasta salad. That is a really good pasta salad.
Yeah, look,
And a
you got a
plate.
plate.
For the sandwich.
Boom.
How can you, what else do you want? What else, huh?
This.
Nothing.
Okay, it's taste test time.
Okay, yeah.
Come on.
I need a knife.
Well,
I'm just not gonna take a giant bite and be rude. Unless you don't want a sandwich.
I mean, we're just trying the sandwich.
Ooh.
The Sammy. Look at that.
That is so good. It goes great with that brioche.
Lettuce and tomato go perfectly with a ham salad.
Man, I'm sorry. Sometimes just a good old simple sandwich is
Yep.
all you need in life. All right.
Man,
I could eat that all.
so can I. But if you're interested in a history ham salad, check out the history of Easter, where we do the historic ham salad.
An old ham salad recipe.
Sorry,
Yeah,
I
it's
had
really
so
good,
much
and this
food
is
in my
kind of
mouth.
based off of it. Just kind of updated a little bit. And I love the crunch of the onion and the celery in it.
Yep.
And the sweetness. Oh, that's great. Awesome. Good job. To me.
Yeah. Good job. You did make it.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Oh, all right. Well, until next time, remember, keep camping and keep cooking. Yeah. Now I'm going to eat my sandwich.
Dude, that sandwich was yummy.
Yes, it is. You got to make another sandwich. That's why I was waiting.
Whoops.
All right. I'll just move right on out. Just push me out of the way.